Here is how to partially close a position on eToro step by step. Start on the main eToro screen and look to the left sidebar. From there, click Portfolio. This opens the area where your current holdings and open trades are listed. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the full list of assets appears before moving on, so you are working from the correct position view. Once you are in the portfolio, find the asset that contains the position you want to reduce. Click on that asset to open it. This reveals the positions connected to that market, along with the details you need for the next step. Take a moment here to make sure you have opened the correct asset, especially if you hold more than one trade in similar markets. After opening the asset, locate the exact position you want to adjust. When you find it, click Close. This opens the close trade window for that position. It is important to select the correct position before continuing because this is the trade that will be reduced when you confirm the action. In the close window, look for the option labeled Close Only Part of the Trade. Check that option to switch from closing the full position to closing only a portion of it. If this box is not selected, eToro will treat the action as a full close instead of a partial one. So confirm that the setting is enabled before entering any amount. Next, enter the number of units or the amount you want to close. Use the field provided in the close window and type in the portion of the trade you want to reduce. This step determines how much of the open position will be closed while the rest remains active in your portfolio. Review the amount carefully before moving on, since this is the key detail that controls the partial close. Once the amount is entered, review the information shown in the window. Check that you are closing the correct position, that the partial close option is still selected, and that the number of units or amount matches what you intend to reduce. When everything looks correct, click Close Trade to submit the order. After you confirm, eToro processes the request and updates the position in your portfolio. The trade will remain open, but only with the reduced amount left in place. If the platform needs a moment to refresh, wait for the portfolio details to update so you can verify the remaining position size. Your selected eToro position is now partially closed by the amount you entered.